I believe that every human being was created with an individuality and a uniqueness. Every person, every organization exists to fill a unique role in society. The greatest tragedy is when we as human beings forget our uniqueness and seek to be like others. My name is Dr. Elvisa Benga. I am the managing partner, Begi'S Law Offices and Chambers. We started this practice together with my colleagues a couple of years back because we felt the need to bring a unique way of practicing law in Kenya and outside Kenya. Our mantra as an office is touching lives. That simply means that whatever we do, we are focused on touching the lives of the individual clients, adding value, and even for corporate clients. In addition to that, we run various community-centered initiatives because we believe that law is a tool of social engineering. There was a time when I sat down and I asked myself, what would happen if each and every person in Kenya had the legal knowledge and training that we have? Wouldn't Kenya be a better place? I believe it would. But because not everyone has the same training, we set out to make a difference by enhancing access to justice in Kenya. We started 2 legal clinics that run every Tuesday and every Thursday, where persons who are not able to afford legal fees walk into our office and get free legal consultation on matters relating to family law. Apart from that, we also started self-representation trainings because we realized that we have a lot of people who do not have money to hire advocates, and yet they have court cases going on. And so we train these people every Friday on how to effectively represent themselves and get the best out of the case. So all these are initiatives along our Touching Lives philosophy. You may want to ask, how do we make our money while operating all these community initiatives? We partner with clients, paying clients, corporate clients, organizations who, when they give us work and we do excellent legal work, by them becoming paying clients, they support our Access to Justice program. We have 13 practice areas that range from constitutional law to civil, commercial law, consultancy, environmental law, employment. We also have family law, which is one of our major practice areas, and 13 different practice areas which you can have a look at when you check our website www.begislaw.com. In addition to that, we run a unique way of representation of clients. We call it the storyteller approach. We use the storyteller approach where we get to know you as a client, understand your story, what makes you yourself, what is your uniqueness, and tell that story. Whether we are telling the story to a judge sitting in court or representing you in a business transaction, we believe by understanding your story, we can be able to better talk about you and better tailor our legal services to touch your life and to solve the problems that you have. For us, we believe that law must be a tool for change, and we are doing our part, and we hope that we can partner with you in making this vision a reality in Kenya.
My name is Elvisa Benga, one of the associates here at Begi'S Law Offices and Chambers, and today I'd like to tell you what makes our office different. First, let me read a verse from the Bible. It comes from the book of Psalm, chapter 82, verses 3, and it says, "Defend the poor and the fatherless, do justice to the afflicted and the needy." This is what we go by in our law firm. We believe that justice is the moral right of every human being, and because of that, we have answered God's clarion call for us to bring justice to this world, to brighten up this little corner of the world. How do we do this? We have a special emphasis on legal aid. We also try to train people to represent themselves. We believe that the practice of law should not only be for monetary gain, but it should also be to better people's lives, to build confidence in the attainment of justice, and to make people's lives better. We focus on touching lives, and we focus on making sure that everybody has a right to live as God intended them to live.
At Begi'S Law Offices and Chambers, God is the overall partner here. He is the one who gave us the vision behind this firm. He is the one who provides the resources. All the success we have, both in court and outside court and in business, is attributed solely to God. So we acknowledge that without Him, we would not even have the vision of touching anybody's life. He gives us, and He sends people to us who would be able to benefit through our programs and have their lives improved one way or another. For us, this law firm is not just a business, it is a ministry.
Touching lives means that we recognize that there's a face behind every single file. We recognize that there's a story to be told in every corner. We believe that every single person matters, every single truth matters. And it is our job to make sure that that truth is honored and respected within the confines of the Kenyan law. We believe in touching lives. We believe that when we touch a person's life, we make their lives better. We make their lives more bearable in an already unbearable world. We make them human. We give them the right to their humanity.
We prioritize on client care, offering sufficient and prompt services to our clients. We embrace digital innovation and have digitized our appointment booking, enabling clients to self-book and attain the relevant consultation on the go. We have also managed to establish an online interactive platform that enables clients to read on legal articles as well as ask questions pertaining their matters. This in turn gives the clients the relevant information they require, building confidence in themselves and the matters, which in turn translates to them establishing and maintaining their trust in us.
What does touching lives mean to me? This is basically causing a positive impact in people's lives, and especially our clients. So to me, this goes down to, how we handle legal issues, how we respond to them, how we handle how we attend to matters, how we handle correspondence. And the way we are trained here is that don't just handle a matter for the sake of doing it, but ensure that you cause a positive impact, that you be an agent of positive change.
Touching lives simply means practicing your profession, practicing the law in a way that improves on the life of the client.